Alrighty, YouTube viewers, this is the second Palco. I went ahead and got some wood glue since I was working on the union blades anyhow. And I went ahead and fixed that blade over there, so it's now sealed again. I threw some oil on this one, the WD-40. That was the issue with the other one. The other one had a WD-40, just had a rough bearing, so I threw some in there and it was quiet after. There's the first Palco. Now add to my pile of stuff that I've got to pack up. Just there. So, same thing on this one. We're going to go look at the label. As you can tell, this one is missing the bomb cap. That's directly for a light kit, and that you can see the bearing through there actually. Let's see, where is our label? New. Ah, there we are. Okay. Got it in my head. Same thing again. Palco International Corporation, Boca Raton, Florida. 48 inches, made in Hong Kong. Plastic canopies. The only thing I think I noticed that was different about this is one of these blades has a different shade of this fake wood laminate. I think it's this one. I think this one actually is a little bit darker. It's something you honestly won't notice, but I don't know what happened if this fan was sitting for a while and one blade got a lot of sun compared to the others. Either way, let's go ahead and start this fan on low. Has the same hum as the other one. Let's go ahead and go to medium high. No, medium low. Excuse me. Definitely a noisy motor. Let's go to medium high. And same thing, this one is on the King of Fans transformer control. And high. Runs fairly quiet on high. And quieter than the other one. Both are not quiet fans. Most likely it's probably just the bearings in both of these that just need replaced, but obviously something sounds like the motors also. Besides that, this fan works well. It's in ignition just like the other one. It's a fast spin down time in this one. So most likely the bearings need a little TLC. But besides that, that should be the last fan for tonight. So thanks for watching. I'll tune in and I'll hit some more videos up on Wednesday night. Thank you. Bye.